In this video, I will show you step-by-step process on how you can get to access Sora 2 for absolutely free, no invite code required, whether you are a creator, designer, or just curious about OpenAI latest AI video technology. This tutorial breaks down step-by-step process on how you can get to use Sora 2 for absolutely free. It is smart and it is safe, guys. And not only that, I'm going to show you step-by-step process on how you can get to remove all those annoying watermark on your video. I'm going to reveal that to you. Okay, so if you are really interested about this, kindly watch this particular video from the beginning to the end, guys. Okay guys, the first step that we're going to be taking right now is to head over to our browser and search for the name of this website. It is called VPN Chrome extension. Basically, I have installed this Chrome extension into my browser already. You might be wondering, why are we using VPN? We are going to be making use of VPN because we need to change our location to a US based location right away, to any US location right away, in order to access this opportunity I want to show you guys. Okay, so basically you might be confused, or okay, so the name of this VPN, it is called VPN Chrome extension. Just download it and download it to your system. That is how simple it is right now. It's very simple and easy. You can see VPN Chrome extension. We're going to be making your VPN. That is the first step that we're going to be taking right away, is to download a VPN and also connect to the VPN right now. You must connect to a US server right now. So the next step right now is to move to sora.chargebt.com right now. So on this section, you will ask you for an invite code. But once you're inside this page, what we need to do is to open a new tab and search for the name of this website. It is called mindvideo.ai. You can see you can create a stunning video for absolutely free. You can see transform your text and image into a realistic video right away, and you can also make use of trending effects on this website. You can see you can choose for a variety of cutting edge AI model ranging from clean AI, lumen runway, Helio, and so on right now. You might be wondering, why are we making use of this website? We are making use of this website because you can get to access Sora 2 for absolutely free on this website, which I'm still going to prove to you right away. You can get to generate up to 4K image, up to 4K video on this website. So you can get to generate high resolution video on this website. To get started, just click on this section that says get started. I've already have an account on this website. You can see right now that I have a 0 credit. I'm going to demonstrate to you on how you can get to use Sora 2 on this website right now. Okay, there is a lot of things that we can make use of use on this website. You can see you can make use of their popular effect and so on, and you can also get an idea on this. Okay, without talking too much, let's get access to this Sora 2 right away. Just come to this section and say you will see a place that says test to video. Basically, I have test this model and it is working for me right now. That is the reason why you see some video on this section. It's for you. The account is gonna be new. Okay, to get access to Sora 2, you will see this section that you can get access to a lot of image to video or text to video website. Basically, we are going to make use of Sora 2 right now. You can see Sora 2, it is absolutely free. It costs 0 credit to make use of it right now. Basically, if you don't have any idea on the prompt you want to make use of, you can just type something like lion in a forest or anything, any idea that you have on your head. With this right now, this AI is going to help you to generate your prompt. In case you don't have any prompt in mind and you want to generate a video, with this AI, the AI is going to help you to broaden your prompt right away. So once you have gotten your prompt, what you just need is to paste it inside this section, this prompt section right away, which I'm doing right now. So I'm just showing you this process that you can get to use Sora 2 for absolutely free. You can see I have a 0 credit right away. So what you just need to do is to click on this section that said generate. Are you guys seeing this? Just click on the section that says generate. After you have gotten your prompt and you want to generate your video, just click on this section that says generate right away, and let's wait for a few more minutes, like a few minutes. If you have this error message, just click on the reload button right away. You will see a reload button up there. So let's wait for it right away. Boom, guys, you can see our video is ready. What we just need is to download it. You will see some watermark on the video. I'm going to show you on how you can get to remove those watermark right away. Basically, the video is very clean and good right away. So what we just need to do right now is to test another feature right now, which is the image to video right away. Okay, we are still going to be making use of the same process. Drag the image you want to convert to video and select your model, which is Sora 2 right away, and select your AI model, the AI model you want to use, which is Sora 2, and you can get, just give it a simple prompt and you can get to generate your video right away. Okay, so let me just choose one of my image right away, and let's wait for it to load up. Yes, after this has loaded up already, you need to choose the AI model we're gonna make use of Sora 2. You can see it costs 0 credit and give you your prompt. That is how simple it is right away. Okay, okay, so once you are done with that once you are done generating your video, the next step right now is to remove the watermark right away. So I'm making use of this website called Magic Eraser right away. I'm making use of this website called Magic Eraser. It's very simple and easy to make use of this website. You can just take your time, check through it, and see a lot of feature that you can make use of on this website. You can see right there, this section is to upload your image in case you want to remove any watermark on your image, and this section is for the video. You can see the video watermark remover right away, and we need to import the video we generated earlier from the Sora section, and just need to, you can see how I'm doing it. Just highlight that section if you want to remove the watermark and click on remove watermark now right away. Okay, the watermark has been removed successfully. Just click on this green arrow to download your video. That is how simple it is right away. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. I love you all. Bye for now guys.